In order to simplify this problem a little bit, I'm going to just make something like this. I have a over x, and I have a over 4. Okay, I'm going to convert this to fractions because I'm dealing with fractions. That's why I'm going to make this times b minus a over 1. Okay, I have a over x is equal, remember, anytime we multiply fractions, we have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. That's why I'm going to have a b minus a over 4. I'm looking for x, okay? If I want to find x, and this is proportion, remember, anytime we want to eliminate proportion, we have to do cross multiplication, okay? That's why I'm going to have x times a b minus a equals a times 4, so which is going to be 4a. Okay, I'm looking for x. Okay, x is multiplied to a and parenthesis b minus a. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to eliminate this multiplication by dividing both sides equation by whatever is multiplied to x. So I'm going to have a b minus a b minus a. So this and this will cancel out, and x is equal 4a over a b minus a. We have a and a. Okay, we can cancel these two a's. Okay, so I'm going to have 4 over b minus a. The solution to my problem is x equals 4 over b minus a. Very simple.